Good morning, party people. So, we're off on an adventure today. We're in LA currently, but we're on our way to San Diego. So we're gonna do 24 hours in San Diego. That was Lane's creation. Well done, Lane.
Thank you very much.
So we're gonna go on an adventure. I've never been before. This is my first time to San Diego. I'm just gonna keep saying San Diego in this video about 30 times. We're gonna try and hit the zoo, gonna go train, gonna eat some stuff. I think we're gonna stop at Anaheim on the way because Lane has a little idea of where we should eat. So come along for the adventures. Let's go! Okay, so we've just stopped in Anaheim. Lane, why are we here?
To eat at the packing house.
Go on, tell me more.
I think it's like 35 restaurants or 40 restaurants inside of lots of local food, drink, deliciousness.
And we love deliciousness. Come check it out. Okay, you guys, let me know if you want to get something to eat. So we've just tried to order coffee here, but being Australian, apparently we order things differently. I asked for piccolo. They didn't know what that was, so we went for macchiato, which they knew what it was. Wait, no, they didn't know what it was. We got... How would you describe this?
It's the small latte with the hot water. Yeah. Bad.
It's just... I won't give you the name of the company, don't want to shame them, but it's not great. We've gone for the French dip sandwich here. Caramelized onion sauce, I guess. Gravy? Yeah, sure. What'd you get?
Braised beef sandwich of some description.
Chris, what'd you get?
Fish wrap.
Fish wrap. And I got an entire liter of Coke. Don't know why I did that, but...
It's half a liter.
Oh, it's half a liter. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. Is it half a liter?
Video.
Yeah. It says it right there. So, we've just stopped right near San Clemente right now. The view, made some friends with the squirrels. The squirrel's gone now. It's just my feet. Do not give the squirrel your car keys. So we're gonna have a little chill break and then back on the road again. Just so cute.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
That's way more cushiony than I expected. Oh hi, I didn't see that. So, I don't know if I explained this to you earlier, but I got really sick, like flu symptoms on the flight on the way over. I think it's because I've been going steadily for like the last month and I've just come from the snow, straight from the snow to America. So, Dayquil's my new friend. When I say friend, it's like a friend that helps you out, but in a bad way, because this friend is disgusting. You know, those disgusting friends you have? Oh, that's so bad. Goosebumps every time. Alright, we're gonna go adventure now. Ugh. Hey, you know what we're doing? Oh, I just got a fresh haircut, by the way, which was really good. The guy's name was... he gave me his card.
The Dover Honing Co.
Yeah, it was at Dover Honing Co. His name is... I can't read that. El Voodoo Barber is his Instagram.
Tito Pasta.
Show it to the camera.
His name's Tito Pasta.
Tito Pasta.
Sick.
Yeah, he was a legend. Would recommend if you're in the San Diego area. Yeah, now we're gonna go get some pool time because it's beautiful and hot.
Like me.
Let's just go to the pool. Bye!
Love you.
It's pretty tough this life. Someone's got to do it. We're the ones to do it. So, back from haircuts and scooter rides and all the fun things. Having a bit of downtime right now by the pool. And then I think we're going to go play some pool, snooker, and maybe eat some ribs. I don't know. Just adventure around the city at night. Do some man stuff. I don't know what that means. But we're going to do it. Day 2, I know what you're thinking. Nathan, you didn't film dinner last night. Why is that? There could be several reasons. It could be because Trystin was severely injured. He could have been trapped in a closet. He could have been really drunk. He could have been fighting sharks. He could have been crazy high. No one will ever know. Or will we? Today, we're gonna go and train with some friends of mine. We got Chris Clark and his friend Cam. So we're here at the gym in San Diego. Gonna go check it out. Say hi to the friends. Come on. So, as I mentioned before, we got a special guest here today. You got Mr. Chris Clark. So you don't already follow Chris. You should be. His swipe through game is on point, and he's seen some huge growth. So make sure you follow him on Instagram, ClarkFit. What are we gonna run through today?
Chest back.
It's a bit of push pull. I'm gonna lead this one, but right now we're warming up to make sure no injuries, because it's very important. Mobility is key.
Yeah, these kids, man.
We're finished working out now. We're gossiping over coffee at Breakfast Republic. The orange juice is good, the coffee is good, the food looks good, so you just have to wait and see how that goes. They gave me jam and cream. Why do I get jam and cream? That doesn't go with this meal. Americans, man. Do I have marshmallow on my face? I feel like I have marshmallow on my face.
No, you totally don't. No, you actually don't.
I got s'mores French toast. What is this? This is living, man. We're done with breakfast. That was delicious, and I'm very full. Now we're gonna go to the zoo. Continuing 24 hours in San Diego. San Diego, San Diego, San Diego.
It's so low. Jesus. That's sick. Sick.
I'm just so excited. This has become a thing for you and I, Lane. Traveling the world, going to zoos.
Yeah, that's our next YouTube series. The Zoo Boys.
Milestone does zoos. We love a good zoo, and San Diego is known for having one of the best in the world. So we're gonna go get amongst it right now. 24 hours is a good amount of time. make like a Billie Eilish joke right now. I'm a bad guy. You know what I mean? Here we go.
I'm gonna win. They're laughing at each
There's a little line in the penguin.
Come on. Come in.
Yeah, come here.
Come on.
Let's take a close one. Oh, it's still hot, but we are done. That was a good walk. So that was like 10,000 steps, 8 kilometers, which is, you say 5.5 miles? 5.5 miles. That's a lot of exercise, which is great. Including this morning's workout. That's a successful day. 24 hours done and dusted. So now we're going to do the drive back to LA. Hopefully not hit as much traffic as anticipated, but looks like we got a good 3-hour drive ahead of us.
Sweet.
See you guys.